Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the Axiom Engine Expert Advisor. All right, but before we proceed, I have a quick note for you before we start. If you want to, if you want a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 with plenty of built-in indicators and candlestick patterns, the link is in the description below. All right, you can just go grab it. Now, Axiom Engine is listed for MetaTrader 4, but before anything else, there is something worth flagging directly. The product description provided for this listing is under the name AdaptiveTrendGrid Pro, okay, by developer Shi Chao Ma. The version is 1.1, last updated on the 12th of June 2026 with 20 activations. So the parameter names inside the actual backtest, things like trend grid, rescue hedge, Chebyshev, and all of that, Lyapunov and all, they line up closely with the features described under that Adaptive Trend Grid Pro name. Okay, so this does appear to be the same underlying system behind the Axiom Engine listing. Pricing on the Axiom Engine listing itself is 30,000 US dollars to buy or 699 US dollars a month to rent. It's a genuinely significant price point either way. Now, according to the description, this is a fully automated system combining trend following with a grid execution strategy anchored to an intraday reference point at the start of each trading day, around which it builds a multi-layered two-way grid of pending buy stop and sell stop orders with scaled lot sizing. So it is optimized specifically for gold, also supports major Forex pairs, and works across both cent and standard accounts with a recommended capital of $10,000 or more. The core of the risk design is what the page calls an 8-layer defense system, starting with a normal take profit close, then pausing new orders and adjusting stop loss and take profits if floating loss hits a warning line, then a rescue hedge using counter direction orders to reduce net exposure, a risk release stage that closes part of the position structure in deep drawdown, a mode the developer calls warm water frog escape for slow adverse drifts, a volatility compression pause, a half close protection step that trims the riskiest positions in stages, and finally a full circuit breaker that liquidates everything and locks trading for the day if drawdown hits a hard limit. All right. So on top of that sits a quantitative monitoring layer, a Chebyshev inequality monitor that flags statistically extreme equity swings, a Lyapunov stability check that watches whether the account's drawdown pattern is trending towards stability or divergence, and a predictive model that estimates the probability of hitting the daily hard stop and can trigger a preemptive close before an actual loss materializes. The developer frames all of this around the specific risk philosophy rather than relying on a large number of trades for a statistical edge to play out. The system is built to continuously ask whether the account is structurally stable right now and act on that directly. There is also a visual dashboard showing the active strategy module, markets microstructure, the day's drawdown, and probability bars for different protective events. So now let's just quickly get into the historical testing. Okay, and this is where things get important. I ran this test on a $10,000 account, and the test was conducted on gold. All right, on the H1 time frame, covering roughly 3 months from late April through late July 2026 with a modeling quality of 90%. Now, here is the key detail though. looking at the test parameters directly, one of them is listed as enable test mode. You can see that here, which is set to true. Okay. Given that, combined with what the test actually produced, I think that is very relevant context for what we're about to look at. All right. So the test showed exactly one trade for the entire roughly 3 month period, and it was a 0.01 lot. You can see that here. So the 0.01 lot position opened and closed within the same minute. Look at the time here, right? Within the same minute for a loss of 24 cents. So that is the entirety of the recorded activity. Given that this test mode flag was active and the result is a single near instant negligible trade, this does not look like a representative run of the elaborate multi-layer grid and the defense system described on the page. All right, so it looks much more like a verification or connectivity check than an actual trial of the trend grid engine, rescue hedge, or any of the 8 defense layers in action. Okay, so before we wrap up, let's just also briefly look at this expert advisor. Let's just look at how it looks like. Let's see how it looks like in action. Okay, so basically this is it. This is the expert advisor. We can see that the position seems to have already opened and closed, right? So it doesn't even have a very unique display. But to wrap up, based on the available information, Axiom Engine under its AdaptiveTrendGrid Pro description is a genuinely elaborate system with a deep multi-layered risk architecture built specifically for gold. But this particular backtest, run with what appears to be a test mode flag enabled, produced only a single negligible trade. So it tells us essentially nothing about how the actual trend grid and defense system performs. All right, so given the price point here, I would want to see a proper full mode backtest, with enable test mode switched off over an extended period before forming any opinion on real performance. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.